Hey streamers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In a previous video, I showed you how you can install the free video streaming theme on your website, and in this video, I'll show you how you can get the main streaming demo on your site. So how you can import it to your site and have your very own video streaming website. So this is how the demo will look like once it has been placed on your website. So let's go back to our admin. And from here, we want to go to appearance. So remember that we've installed a theme, we've set up our required plugins, and now we're going to import the demo data. So here is the main streaming demo. Both these demo, the main demo and the gaming demo, are free. We will go to continue, and keep in mind this will take a couple of minutes, but I fast forwarded for the sake of this video. Click on visit site, and here is your website with the demo installed. It's as simple as that. You have your main streaming demo ready on your website, so you are free to go ahead and add all the videos you want, live channels, replace all these images, all the text. So you have the model, you have the formats, the structure ready, and all you have to do is start replacing everything and create your very own streaming website. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.